having lost about 15 pounds, time to kind of add some volume back. If you really want it, go for it. Trust yourself with that judgment. My name is Mia. I've been thinking about getting a breast augmentation for about 2 years now, and after having lost about 15 pounds, I noticed obviously the volume and just kind of the old look of my breasts were kind of changing. So finally, 2 years later, I decided that it's probably time to kind of add some volume back. I found Dr. Barrett through social media, especially through Brooke Schofield. Absolutely love her results, and she speaks so highly about him. And I wanted somebody that was also interested in making sure that my recovery process is as smooth as possible and most health safe and wellness safe, as opposed to just giving me the traditional medicines and hoping that I feel better. Look at different doctors, of course, but stay firm in your decision. And if you really want it, go for it. Don't believe anybody else's opinions and thoughts, and just kind of trust yourself with that judgment.
So we're here with a beautiful patient. She's got great breasts, but we want to have a little bit more fullness, a little bit more cleavage. So we're gonna place an implant. We're gonna go half underneath the muscle. We're gonna go with the smooth round gummy bear implant. I love the gummy bear implants. These are super soft and natural feeling. So we're gonna make an incision right here on the border of the areola. We're gonna dissect immediately to really develop that cleavage, and up higher to kind of get them a nice lift and fullness, all right? So stay tuned. We're gonna have a nice natural breast augmentation. Sitting her up right now, you can see that the left side we have the sizer in, it's 350. It's looking pretty good. We might make a little more space up here, and we might actually go just a touch bit bigger, but it's really good. Quick recap, you guys. We did 365 both sides. We did on-table sizing. We started with 350. It was a little too small. We went up to 365 for that nice, more rounded shape, like she's looking over there, and better and tighter cleavage, okay? Did our nice 5-layer closure. She's gonna look great right around 6 weeks. Breast implants, they look really high and tight for the first 6 weeks, and then they drop and settle. Interested in this procedure, check out our website, drdanielbarrett.com, and fill out our virtual consultation page. Thank you so much. You have a great day.